Hello everybody. Today we are test driving Range Rover V8 4.4 which came in power loss, DPF issues. All the problems has been solved and we're doing a test drive. What can you say about your car? How was it and how it is today?
It was in limp mode when I took it in to Errol. It's now not in limp mode, it's in a very good mode, and I'm driving along the A21 very cleanly. The accelerator I touch very gently with my toe.
Responsive?
Very responsive, yes. Yes. So it feels like it's been cleaned out.
Good and proper.
Yes, it does.
Okay. Oh, last thing. Can you see black or white smoke?
No smoke in the back.
No smoke, that's good. We are www.supremedpfcleaning.com, located in Bromley, Kent, but soon we shall be moving to Westerham in an industrial unit. You can reach us on 07533 636 194 with your DPF, EGR, AdBlue, power loss issues. DPF is what we know. We are certified diagnostic center, and also we are remapping center, quantum tuning remapping center. We do EC programming, remaps, and many things. Thanks for watching.